Hello, did you know that the first step towards growth is awareness? My name is Conrad Kene Agava, a leadership transformational coach certified by the Maxwell Leadership. Today, I want to share with you 3 things you can do to make growth your habit. Yes, the first thing to do is to identify an area you want to improve in. Growth is something that should be a second nature to you, and growth can become a second nature to you without working on something frequently. Number 2 thing is make a habit around it. When you commit to doing something repeatedly in that area you want to improve in, growth will become a second nature to you. Number 3 thing is track your progress. It's easier to measure reading 3 pages or 10 pages than something that is vague. So when you do these 3 things, growth will become a default to you, and most importantly, you will enlarge your capacity for more. In conclusion, I want to remind you that God has wired you for above and beyond. If you like it, please comment and also share.